Hello and welcome back. So till here we have seen like how you can actually create Angular project and the library. If you are not following or if you have any doubts, just please go through the documentation for creating the libraries, and you will come to know that what are the other things that it provides, and how it is set up in the Angular JSON file, and if you need any refactoring and extra information, of course you can see that. Right now we will need to do the publishing as well, but for now we will come back to that part later, which means like your library can also be pushed to npm.com, and which is like, I hope that it will be a moment of proud for you to have your library published and people start using that. So anyway, let's move on and see that what we can do further. So to include the project, right? So right now, as you can see that the project is having the Angular's default page. So instead of which we will need to have the library project available here. So for that, every library produces a module library, the component, the services, and the other things that you want to expose to your clients who are integrating that, right? So the module is the kind of a bundle that is available for use, and it actually contains everything. So if you go here, you can see that the lib component is available. If you want this service to be exposed, you can even import that in the module, and it should be available to use later. Right now we don't need it, so I have not imported anything else. And just in the app module, which is the main entry for the Angular project, we have imported the free bot lib module here, and inside this we will remove all the code from Angular, which actually came from Angular, and instead we'll go to this one and copy the selector of this component and paste it here as HTML tag. So this is the custom selector, we can say, and once the project runs, it should start printing on the screen that the free bot lib works, right? So let's see, and yeah, here we go. So we got the library working in the test application. So the application which we have created, FreeBot UI, is nothing but a test slate or a testing or a launchpad kind of thing, which only imports the library and gives you the sense that how it will look in the application. Because we have done this because actually libraries don't have face, and there is not a recommended way to run the libraries as a ng-serve. So better to have the application as well as a client, which gives you the sense like once your library is integrated, how it will look into the other application, and your libraries imports are even like more streamlined if you do the same way. Okay, so I think let's move on to the integration part, right? So I will just simply okay, so this is the HTML page. As you can see, this is a template, so rather I will say template URL, and there is no template created here, so rather I will create one, free bot lib .component.html. okay, and I will paste the contents to this one, and if I go here, I will just simply say like free bot lib.component.html. okay, so if we see it here, you can see it is broken, but it is due to the styles are missing. So let's quickly copy the styles as well, and for that we again need styles available. So let's create one more file here, like free bot lib dot component dot css, right? And inside this we will put all the css contents here, and we will say like this dot free bot lib dot component dot css. Okay, so styles URL again. I think some problem. Okay, so the naming issue. Okay, it compiled successfully now. So if we go here, it is still having issues in it. Okay, so it looks like some styling issue, so we will figure this out in the next video.